Welcome to our channel Mr. Darkman TV. I'm Zainab Sabir, your host, bringing you the most captivating stories from around the world. From inspiring journeys of remarkable individuals to unraveling mysteries and sharing jaw-dropping events, today, meet the woman who was once a beauty queen, now a lieutenant in the Indian Army, Lieutenant Garima Yadav. This is your ultimate destination for stories that ignite curiosity and leave you in awe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to never miss a story that will keep you hooked. Join me on this thrilling adventure, and let's explore the extraordinary together. In a world that often tries to confine women to predefined roles, there are a few who break through these barriers and rewrite their own destinies. One such trailblazer is Lieutenant Garima Yadav, a woman of grace, grit, and unparalleled determination. From being crowned India's Miss Charming Face to becoming a commissioned officer in the Indian Army, her journey exemplifies the power of perseverance and passion. Today, we unravel her incredible transformation from a beauty queen to a leader serving the nation. Garima Yadav was born and raised in the serene hills of Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. She spent her formative years at Army Public School, Shimla, where the disciplined environment sowed the seeds of resilience in her. From an early age, she was known for her sharp intellect and graceful demeanor. Garima excelled in academics and extracurricular activities, earning the admiration of her peers and teachers alike. Her father, an army veteran, was a towering figure in her life, instilling in her a deep sense of patriotism. Garima often recalls how stories of her father's service inspired her to dream beyond societal expectations. But like most young girls, she also nurtured other ambitions. With a keen interest in economics, she pursued a bachelor's degree in economics from St. Stephen's College, Delhi University, one of India's most prestigious institutions. In 2017, Garima entered a beauty pageant called India's Miss Charming Face, a decision that would momentarily steer her life in a different direction. Her elegance, confidence, and charisma won her the title, and she became a national sensation. Following her victory, she was invited to represent India at an international beauty pageant in Italy. However, fate had other plans for her. While the glamour and allure of the beauty industry beckoned, Garima felt a sense of unfulfillment. Deep within, her heart yearned to contribute more meaningfully to society. Winning the pageant was a proud moment, but I realized that my true calling lay elsewhere, she later shared in an interview. Post her graduation, Garima began preparing for the prestigious Indian Administrative Service (IAS) exams, aspiring to join the country's civil services. Despite her relentless efforts, she couldn't clear the examination. It was a moment of introspection for her. Instead of being disheartened, she redirected her focus toward the Combined Defense Services (CDS) examination. She cracked the CDS exam in her very first attempt, proving her mettle. Garima credits her upbringing and strong sense of discipline for her success. Soon, she was selected for the Officers Training Academy (OTA) in Chennai, embarking on a transformative journey to become an officer in the Indian Army. Training at OTA is not for the faint-hearted. Spread across 11 grueling months, it is designed to test the physical, mental, and emotional resilience of the cadets. For Garima, the journey was far from easy. Initially, the physical standards and rigorous schedule seemed overwhelming. The weather was challenging, and I wasn't in peak physical shape, Garima admitted. But she refused to give up. With each passing day, she pushed herself harder, emerging stronger and more determined. From obstacle courses to endurance runs, Garima embraced every challenge thrown her way. Her ability to adapt and her refusal to quit earned her the respect of her peers and instructors. She also actively participated in extracurricular activities, proving that leadership isn't just about physical strength but also about intellect, empathy, and teamwork. Garima's transition from a beauty queen to an army officer shattered many stereotypes. In a society that often associates beauty with glamour, she proved that beauty and discipline are not mutually exclusive. People often assume that to join the army, you need to be a star athlete or physically extraordinary. That's not true. What matters is your willingness to improve and your determination to never give up, Garima said in an interview. Her story resonated with countless young women across the country, inspiring them to dream beyond conventional roles. Garima's journey is a testament to the fact that true beauty lies in strength, character, and the courage to follow your dreams. On 9th March 2019, Garima Yadav's relentless efforts culminated in a proud moment as she was commissioned into the Indian Army. Wearing the olive green uniform for the first time, she carried the weight of responsibility and honor with grace. As a lieutenant, Garima took on roles that demanded leadership, quick decision-making, and unwavering commitment. Whether it was leading a platoon or managing challenging situations, she proved to be a role model for her peers and juniors. Garima's story has since become a beacon of hope for young women across the nation. Her journey from the glitz of beauty pageants to the disciplined corridors of the Indian Army showcases that no dream is too big and no path too unconventional. Through her story, she encourages women to break free from stereotypes and pursue their passions fearlessly. Don't let anyone define what you can or cannot do. The only limits that exist are the ones you set for yourself, she says. Garima's life is a shining example of how dreams, no matter how diverse, can be achieved with determination and hard work. To all the young women aspiring to make a difference, she has a powerful message. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Don't be afraid to take risks and step out of your comfort zone. Success is not about avoiding failure, it's about embracing challenges and learning from them. Go out there and conquer the world. From the stage of beauty pageants to the battlefields of service, Lieutenant Garima Yadav has truly redefined what it means to be a woman of substance. Her journey is a reminder that with determination, grit, and the courage to dream big, anything is possible. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories like this one. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's celebrate those who inspire us to dream, dare, and achieve. See you in the next video.